Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. In an apartment that's on the second floor of the building that is on Central Park West. So out those windows there is Central Park, but you just can't see it right now because of the temporary sidewalk shed that they have up. So this is the living room, and what's going on in this project is this apartment was just purchased by the neighbor, which owns the neighboring apartment, and that wall right there straight ahead is shared. So the neighbor purchased this apartment. They're going to open up that wall, and they're going to expand into this apartment also. So let me walk you around. So as I swing around, fireplace here. There is, straight ahead is the kitchen. Here's like a dining room. Door to a common hallway, and that's those are the windows of the neighbor who just purchased this apartment. I'll quickly breeze through the rest. So here we have, that's the front door. And down here's a little dark. We have 2 bedrooms, a couple of closets, a couple of bathrooms. So we have bedroom with bathroom, closets I'm walking by, and then another bedroom, a couple more windows looking at the park, and another bath, more closets too. So this is what I'm working on today. I thought I would show you around. Thank you for checking out my video, and if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings of your apartment, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Have a fantastic day.